everyone and welcome to today's video. We will be discussing credit scores and credit repair. Your credit score is a numerical value assigned to you by the credit reporting agencies that reflects your creditworthiness. It's important to maintain a good credit score as it impacts your ability to borrow money, get a loan, or even rent an apartment. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of managing your credit scores, improving your credit health, and repairing your credit if needed. But before we dig in, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This really helps us to help you make more money and build wealth. So, to begin with, let's discuss what credit scores are. They are numerical values that range from a low of 300 to a high of 850, which indicate a person's creditworthiness. The higher the score, the better the creditworthiness. Credit scores are calculated based on several factors such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit. Payment history plays a crucial role in determining credit scores. Late payments, missed payments, or defaulting on a loan can have a significant negative impact on credit scores. Credit utilization, which is the percentage of available credit a person is using, also plays a vital role in calculating credit scores. If you have a higher credit utilization rate, this can indicate that you are using too much credit, which will negatively impact your credit score. The longer a person's credit history, the better their credit score. Credit mix, which refers to the different types of credit a person has, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, also affects credit scores. Lastly, new credit or applying for new credit can negatively impact credit scores. Multiple inquiries within a short period will negatively impact your credit score. Now let's discuss how you can manage your credit scores. The first step is to monitor our credit scores regularly. We can do this by obtaining a free credit report from credit reporting agencies such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Reviewing the credit report can help identify errors. If you identify any errors, you should report them to the credit reporting agency to correct them, and they are required by law to do so. The second step in managing your credit scores is to make timely payments. Paying bills on time is crucial to maintaining a good credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help ensure that you do not miss any payments. The third step is to reduce credit utilization. Keeping credit utilization below 30% can have a positive impact on your credit score. You can reduce credit utilization by paying down balances or requesting credit limit increases. The fourth step is to maintain a good credit mix. Having a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact credit scores. However, you should not open new credit accounts just to improve your credit mix. The final step in managing your credit score is to limit new credit applications. Multiple credit inquiries within a short period will negatively impact your credit score. You should only apply for new credit when you really need it. In addition to managing your credit score, it is also important to improve your credit health. Improving credit health can help maintain a good credit score and make it easier to get approved for credit in the future. One of the best ways to improve your credit health is to pay down your debt. You can pay down debt by prioritizing high-interest debt or using the snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest debt first and then moving on to the next. If you need help with this process, we encourage you to watch our video titled "Debt Devastates Wealth Creation." The second way to improve credit health is to create a budget. Creating a budget can help you prioritize your expenses, make timely payments, and avoid unnecessary spending. You can use budgeting tools such as apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses. If you need help with your budget, you will love our popular video, The Ultimate Guide to Creating a Wealth Building Budget. The third way to improve your credit health is to maintain a stable income. Having a stable income can make it easier to pay bills on time and manage your debts. You can do this by finding a stable job, creating a side hustle, and investing in passive income streams. The fourth way to improve your credit health is to avoid opening new credit accounts unless absolutely necessary. Each time you apply for new credit, it generates a hard inquiry on your credit report, which will negatively impact your score. You should only open new credit accounts when you absolutely need them and can manage them responsibly. Another way to improve your credit health is to never co-sign for loans or credit cards. Co-signing for a loan or credit card means that you are equally responsible for the debt. If the borrower defaults on the loan or misses payments, it will negatively impact your score. Now, let's talk about credit repair. Despite your best efforts, sometimes your credit score may take a hit due to missed payments or defaults. In such cases, credit repair can help improve your credit score. Credit repair involves removing negative information from your credit reports or disputing errors that may be negatively impacting your credit score. The first step in credit repair is to obtain a copy of your credit report from credit reporting agencies. You can review your credit report for errors or negative information that may be impacting your credit scores. The second step is to dispute any errors or negative information on your credit report. You can do this by contacting the credit reporting agency and providing evidence to support your dispute. The credit reporting agency has 30 days to investigate and respond to your dispute. The third step in credit repair is to negotiate with creditors to remove negative information. You can negotiate with creditors to remove negative information by offering to pay the debt in full or settle for a lesser amount. Once the debt is paid or settled, you can request that the creditor remove the negative information from your credit report. The last thing you might consider is to work with a reputable credit repair company. Credit repair companies can help negotiate with creditors, remove negative information, and improve credit scores. However, you should be cautious when working with credit repair companies and ensure that they are reputable, ethical, and legitimate. Managing your credit scores and improving your credit health are important in maintaining financial stability and securing future loans or credit. By monitoring our credit scores, making timely payments, reducing credit utilization, maintaining a good credit mix, limiting new credit applications, paying down debt, creating a budget, maintaining a stable income, and never co-signing, you can improve your credit health and maintain a good credit score. In cases where your credit scores have taken a hit, credit repair can help remove negative information and improve your credit scores. Remember that debt can be a helpful servant, but it is much more likely a horrible master. Too often, people take on far too much debt, and often it is used to buy things that people actually have no business buying in the first place, because they actually cannot afford to repay the debt without having to pay a heavy dose of interest. A wonderful rule of thumb is that if you struggle to pay off any credit card debt in full before the interest kicks in at the end of each and every billing cycle, then you have too much debt and you need to quickly find your way out of that terrible bondage. You will be far better off and always much happier to live on a pay-as-you-go cash basis than ever even considering paying even a dime of interest for things that typically instantly depreciate to zero. Our recommendation is to carry no debt. However, for those of you who want to live dangerously, you might be interested to learn what financial experts feel is the maximum safe level of debt. Of course, determining a safe level of debt for an individual depends on various factors such as income, expenses, assets, and financial goals. However, financial experts generally recommend that an individual's total debt-to-income ratio should not exceed 36%. For example, if an individual's total monthly debt payments are $1,500 and their gross monthly income is $4,500, their debt-to-income ratio would be 33% or $1,500 divided by $4,500. Nonetheless, our best advice is to avoid debt like the Black Plague. Avoid it at all costs. Remember, poor people pay interest and wealthy people collect it. Thanks for watching our video, and we hope you found this information helpful. Please subscribe and check back soon for more helpful information on your journey to make more money and build wealth.